Let's recap Google I/O 2022. It was absolutely amazing for Pixel fanboys. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, welcome back to Pixel Talk. I guess we can call it Fridays, Pixel Talk Fridays. Google I/O was on Wednesday. I did go to a Team Pixel viewing party for the keynote. I had an absolutely blast. There's tons of big name creators there, as well as myself, a low-key creator with not too many subs, so make sure you sub to your boy Gadget Beard. My homie Tech Right was there, had a great time. It was good seeing him again. But you know what was even better? The onslaught of Google Pixel news that Google gave us during the keynote. It was absolutely amazing. Let's start with the Pixel 6a. They absolutely unveiled the Pixel 6a. You can get it for $449. It is available in 3 different colors. It's available in Sage, Chalk, and Charcoal. The design is very similar to the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, and it's rocking the exact same Tensor chip, which is absolutely amazing. So the phone is slightly smaller than the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. It has a 6.1 Full HD OLED display up to 60 Hertz. It does not have 90 Hertz or does not have 120 Hertz, only 60 Hertz. It does have a 6GB RAM with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. As you know, if you're a Pixel fanboy like myself, there's never been an SD card slot in any Pixel. You're not going to get one in this one either. You do have dual rear camera system. It's a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. According to Marcus Brownlee, this is the exact same sensor on the Pixel 4 and I think the Pixel 5. So it's just being tweaked to work better with the algorithms. Don't get me wrong, just because it has last year's sensor don't mean it's a bad camera. Those smartphones still compete with some of the top tier smartphones of today. You do have a 8 megapixel front facing camera. Of course, I already mentioned the exact same Google Tensor chip. It is a tactile alloy frame, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 3D form composite back, and it does have a 4,410 milliamp hour battery. That is absolutely pretty good. It's a lot less than the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, but then again, it does not have that high quality screen with the 90 Hertz or 120 Hertz that it needs to push. So I'm pretty sure battery life is going to be a beast on this Pixel 6a. Fingerprint unlock in the display. I hope it's a lot better than the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm pretty sure Google learned from the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, and they calibrated that sensor to absolutely work flawless right out the box. We don't want to have that issue again. But the 3 different colors, it absolutely looks amazing. $449. It's absolutely amazing. I know some of y'all gonna be upset because it doesn't have 90 Hertz refresh rate or 120, but I think they're following Apple's steps, like where their SE and their lower tier iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 doesn't have ProMotion at all, but it does have the exact same chip, and that's what Google is doing here. Exact same chip, good cameras, good display, just not all the bells and whistles. If they give you all the bells and whistles, who's gonna buy the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro? Come on, people, come on. Moving on to the Pixel Buds. Now, we did get a glimpse of the Pixel Buds information prior to the reveal here on Google I/O. We already knew the 4 colors. John Prosser leaked that with a tweet: Coral, Fog, Charcoal, and it wasn't Lemonzello, it was Lemongrass. Lemonzello is out the door. Lemongrass was the correct color, but it's kind of the same thing. New design. They don't have the little hook that hooks into your ear like the Pixel Buds A or the regular Pixel Buds. You do have active noise cancellation with a silent seal. So one of the features that I put out for my Pixel Buds video that I did last Friday was that I wanted to see active noise cancellation, and what else? transparency mode. I wanted to see transparency mode in the new Pixel Buds Pro, and guess what? We got them. We got active noise cancellation with a silent seal, meaning this is actually a other more active. I think I want to say is a little bit better than active noise cancellation because it takes the mics there and actually mutes even more sound, because they know you're not going to get a complete seal with the earbuds. Not everybody gets a complete seal, and this mitigates that you not having a complete seal. It tries to do its best to absolutely silence everything around you. They are saying up to 31 hours of total listening time. I think they said 11 hours without active noise cancellation and 7 hours of playback time with active noise cancellation. We'll be the judge of that. I know last year's, not last year's, 2 years ago, the regular Pixel Buds had mediocre battery life. The Pixel Buds A kind of addressed that a little bit better, but it did lose a lot of their features. And hopefully these Pixel Buds A Bros is going to solve that and give us at least decent battery life for us to enjoy. Transparency mode, like I said, is here. Transparency mode helps you hear everything around you. It amplifies the sound just like the AirPods Pros. This has it, and it is absolutely amazing. Wireless charging is back, and obviously Google Assistant is integrated. And the best part of this is they're going to be released at a price point of $199. $199 is absolutely steal. This is what the lowest I thought it were going to release. I thought about $199, $229, and like $249, but to see them at $199, it absolutely is amazing. These will be available for pre-order on the 21st. Oh, I forgot to mention, as well as the Pixel 6a available to pre-order on the 21st, and I think on the 27th they'll be available in stores near you on the 27th. So they did announce the Pixel Watch, and it absolutely looks gorgeous. They showed a little video of it. I'll show it here, but it absolutely looks amazing. To me, it reminds me of like an Apple Watch, just the same kind of build quality. It's just in a round form factor compared to their little square one. It has a lot of fitness and health features provided by Fitbit. Obviously, Google bought Fitbit a while back, so now they're starting to integrate the Fitbit ecosystem and their features and all that into Google. The new Wear OS experience is what they're calling it. They're integrating that into the watch. This will be available in the fall. They didn't give too much details on it, but it absolutely looks amazing. They did reveal it. They showed how it's going to look, some of the capabilities it has, and I am super excited for this watch. I cannot wait to get this. Fall of 2022, the Pixel Watch will be available for you to purchase. But also, they didn't stop there. They also gave us a glimpse of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Now, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is going to be available at the same time as the Pixel Watch, and it will be available in the fall. They just revealed the design. They revealed that it's going to have the Tensor chip 2nd generation, so it's going to be even more powerful than the current Tensor chip, and I hope it's just absolutely amazing. I really do. The design looks similar to last year, but instead of having that all glass camera bump in the back, they did go full alloy, so it's like it continues off of the frame, if you know what I'm talking about. I like it personally. I saw a lot of comments out there saying that a lot of people did not like that design choice, but I personally like it. The black one looks absolutely amazing. The white one looks cool. It absolutely cannot wait. I think they showed us the colors also. There's a couple colors here available, but I cannot wait for the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch this fall. Not only did they stop there, they said that they are releasing a Pixel tablet in 2023. They kind of released the design of the Pixel tablet. That's about it. To me, it looked like they just took the screen from the Google Hub Max or the Nest Hub, the Nest Home Max Home thing, and gave you the exact same display in the tablet now, and they were like, here you go. But Android 13 brings a lot of new redesigns, a lot of new features, and they say that Android 13 is going to cater to big screen devices like the tablet. we'll see that. I can't wait for Android 13 either. And last but not least, Google Assistant. Google Assistant got a lot of updates behind the scene. But one of the main ones I wanted to give you guys was that if you have a Nest Hub Google Assistant integration smart home system at home, you no longer have to say the keyword. Some of these, the Google Nest Hub have the camera, and by you just looking at the device, it recognizes it's you and is waiting for you to say a command. That is absolutely amazing. People get tired of saying the keyword and then just every time you have to bark out a command, you have to say it. But now that's going away, and I just can't wait for that to integrate over to the Pixel line, because you can just look at your phone and say something and it's gonna do it. You no longer are you out here in public looking at your device saying the keyword and then everybody's like looking at you all weird. You just gotta look at your device, say directions to 7-Eleven. Bam, it gives you direction to the nearest 7-Eleven. I cannot wait for that. Google Assistant is the future to the Pixel ecosystem. We now have the Pixel 6a coming around the corner, the Pixel Buds Pros around the corner, the Pixel Watch in the fall, and the Pixel 7 Pro in the fall, along with a Pixel tablet next year. That was a lot of hardware release information from any Google I/O I've ever seen, any keynote. I absolutely welcome that. I am super excited for this year. I cannot wait to get my hands on these devices. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about any of these products that were released by Google. Are you guys going to pick them up? Are you guys excited like I am? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.